Okay, so I'm running behind with this bottle box video, so I'm gonna do 3 in 1 video, and definitely let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And this should give you an idea, because again, you're gonna have 3 bottle box videos. I'm gonna go pretty fast. If you want more information, go to the bottle box channel here on YouTube. They do a great job showing all the products and all that. And again, I don't pay any money for this. They send it here to the channel for me to make videos, right? So I'm gonna show you the first thing, and it's gonna be this nose slap, and it comes in a pack of 2 right here. I'm going to show it to you guys, and you kind of see it right here. And essentially, you open it up, smell it, and it's supposed to clear your nose. It's supposed to give you energy, maximum strange smelling salt with essential oils, whatever that means. That's going to be product number 1. Product number 2 is going to be this thing right here, which I actually thought was kind of cool, right? So essentially what you have is a setup for you to be able to initiate some fire. This is the little part that you're going to be able to burn. And again, you get all this right here, and you kind of, make a little design, kind of like this, put one over here, and they do go inside the little holes right there. And again, you're gonna form kind of like a pyramid kind of thing, and then you could light up the inside, and again, it's gonna burn. It's gonna allow you to start a fire faster. The next thing you're gonna have here in the basic box is gonna be this right here, wicked wax, and this is gonna be for blaze. I'm gonna open it up just for you guys to see, but again, son of the blade care, and this is kind of what you have right there. It says no chemicals, 100% food safe, all natural, easy to apply, no heating required, wicked wax, cutting edge protection. And then right here in the description, it says that it's going to help you maintain your blade. The last thing we got here in the basic box is going to be this right here. It's going to be a freaky slim system, and you kind of see the picture right here. I am going to use this because I think it's kind of cool. And again, you see the ring right here, and again, you have a couple other rings right there, so you have a total of 3 plus that one right there. And that's going to be the bottle box basic box here. Again, this is going to be bottle box number 107, just to give you an idea. We're going to jump into this right here, advanced box, which is going to be from Dead Fish. And I'm just going to give you a look. It looks kind of cool here in the box, and then you open it up just like that, and this is kind of what you have right here. So this is a pretty cool knife. Again, very different than your normal knife, but it should give you an idea right there. You could grab it just like this. You could do some work, maybe some cutting, whatever. So Dead Fish is a company that I've seen here in the channel, that I've seen with Battlbox in the past. And I actually had a couple cooking knife in the past, and they did pretty okay, right? It does have a bell loop here as well, and this leather sheath for you to be able to carry this, right? So again, this is going to be a knife. This is going to be in the advanced box. Next thing in the pro box is going to be a solo stove from Titan, and I'm just going to give you a look right here. You can kind of see it right here. You can kind of see this right here. Again, if you like to go camping and things like that, this is actually pretty cool, right? You can kind of see it right there. So again, it's going to be a solo stove. I don't know why it has that sticker, but it is what it is. Let's see what it says. It says easy to use, low smoke, 304 stainless steel, lifetime warranty. So again, pretty cool. And the last thing in the Pro Plus box is going to be a really big knife. It looks to me like, and it's going to be a cleaver. And I'm just going to give you a look here in the paper so you can kind of see what I'm talking about right there, right? We're going to open it up right here. I haven't opened this one up, but I'm excited about it because it looks enormous. Oh, man, this thing is massive. Bell loop right here. As you can see, we're going to take it out, and wow. Yeah, this is a beefy knife. No doubt about that. I'm going to give you a look right there. Obviously black, and again, a pretty good chunk of steel right here. Kind of see it right there. Again, very, very cool. This is a pretty beefy knife. Check this out, guys. So again, look at this. There it is. This thing is massive. Definitely a very interesting looking knife. This is going to be Battle Box Mission 107. Let's jump into 108. Okay, 108 actually has a knife here on the basic box. This is going to be the Revo Canyon folder. We're going to open it up right here. Typically, we don't have a knife in the basic box, so that's kind of cool. And we're just going to open it and take a quick look at it. And yeah, here we got it. Let's open it up. It's kind of what you have, right? Really nothing fancy or anything like that. It looks kind of chunky, but yeah, it is what it is. It's a knife. So again, you're gonna have that first knife right there. Again, it feels chunky, a little bit slippery as well. Probably wouldn't be my first choice to hold a knife, but Again, you got a knife right there in the basic box. Okay, the second item that we're gonna have is gonna be this right here, Tiny Pump X. Let more people enjoy the outside or the outdoors. I don't know exactly what it does. So essentially, it's a little pump, and you kind of see this right here. Let me give you a look. So Tiny Pump X. That's a little pump right there. So that's gonna help you out if you go camping and you have to blow some, you know, a little mattress or something like that. It comes with a little bag as well. So interesting. I've never seen anything like this, but that's definitely interesting. All right, this is going to be item number 3 here in the battle box. And, you know, maybe one day I'll tell you guys a story when I got lost in the military. And it was kind of embarrassing. I'll tell you one day. Obviously, this is for navigation right here. And it's a really interesting skill that not too many people have. But again, this is going to be item number 3. All right, we're going to jump into the advanced box right here. Again, Battle Box Mission 107. Excuse me, 108. Dark Energy, Toughest Mini Battery, Power Pack, Pocket Power. Okay, so it sounds to me that this is something for your cell phone. You can kind of see the iPhone right there, and this will be attached to your iPhone. And obviously, should be able to give you some more juice into your phone. This is kind of actually pretty cool. I am going to use this because obviously we run out of batteries and things like that. So that's going to be in the advanced box. Pro box is going to have something really, really cool, which is this right here. Obviously, this is a water bottle, and it looks like it has a filter. 5 liters per minute, 250 liters per cartridge, 8-second press, outdoor survival. So the Pro box is going to have this bottle right here. It looks to me like this will be able to help you drink some water in the outdoors as well, and it's going to help you probably purify some of those water, or maybe not purify, or make it safer to drink. Okay, yeah, so it does remove viruses, bacteria, heavy metals. So that's definitely really, really cool. So as you can see right here, this is pretty much a survival item. Right here, you can see in the pictures, getting water from bodies of water and being able to get some safe water to drink. So this is definitely really cool to have in your camping packs and things like that. It looks like really good quality just by touching it. And the last item is going to be a knife. Let's open it up. This is a company that I've seen multiple different times, and not really sure what this is. It looks like a little tool. All right, so this knife is sick. This knife is, wow. This is pretty. Definitely very, very pretty. Wow, this knife is really cool. Wow. It deploys so good. Just put your back. It closes. Put your back. Wow, this thing is really, really nice. Love that. This is a really cool knife. Really excited about it. This sounds to me like a little tool or something like that. But again, really excellent knife. Really cool looking knife. No doubt about it. And finally, we're jumping into 109. We're going to do this one fast, trying to go through all these 3 boxes the fastest that I can, actually. So let's jump into this. You're going to have some wipe right here. Removal wipes. If you have some kind of exposure to IV or something like that, you could utilize this right here to help you get better, right? So again, in the camping field, this will be great for camping and things like that. The next thing you're gonna have is this right here. I love this utility ropes. I have used it for a while. They're very, very small, really compact. You can put inside a backpack or anything like that. You don't need a knife because you can wrap this around there and then you could cut it, and that's it. You got about 70 feet right here. Again, these things are amazing. Love this. You're gonna have some fire loop right here in a tube. So essentially, if I'm not making a mistake, you just this in top of something and it's going to turn on fire, right? So again, if you're trying to make a fire and you need a little bit of help, this may help you out. And last thing on the basic box is going to be this animal track IDs. I'm just going to get one, kind of show it to you guys. Let's open this up. And for example, here's some of the information. This is kind of what you're going to find. And then right here in the back is going to give you a little bit of information regarding that. Black bear, probably not good. So again, animal track ID, probably something cool to put inside your backpack or something like that. And the next thing we're going to have is the neck knife that it comes with a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to kind of open this up right here just real quick, just to give you a look. Again, a lot of stuff here. You can do a lot of different choices on how you carry this knife, and you can see here on this paperwork, again, you have a lot of flexibility right here. But I'm going to take the knife out just to give you a quick look. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's kind of an idea. So to me, it does feel a little bit heavy for being a neck knife. I'm not so much into neck knife, although I have carried a neck knife for a while in the past. But again, some people really enjoy. You do have a couple other things that you can put in here. Obviously, you have a ferro rod right here. You have a way here to attach it to your belt as well. So again, you do have a lot of capability, and I think it's definitely very cool. Just give you a closer look at the knife, just so you can see it, A little bit better right there. And obviously that neck knife is going to be in the advanced box. We're going to jump into the pro box, which is going to have this right here. It's just going to be a blanket. So again, pretty standard blanket. It's green. So if you take a camping or something like that, it's definitely going to give you a camouflage in that background, right? So again, it says you can use it for camping, hiking, cabins, boating. Some of the features is water and spill resistant, convert to an energy panel connectable snap to join multiple blankets, zipper store package. So again, pretty cool. And the last thing we're gonna have is this knife right here. This is gonna be the banter folder. We're gonna open it up, just give you a look. And I've seen this knife already. Very, very cool. Here's what you got right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And here is the knife right here. This knife is very, very elegant. If you could tell, really, really elegant. Look at that. It deploys amazing. Let's open it up. And now you can see it right here. Again, not your typical knife. A very, very cool knife and a very unique in my opinion. It looks like you could carry this way as well. And it looks like a very elegant knife. I love it. I really like it. I love how it deploys. That thing shoots out, man. Looks awesome. And there you have it, guys. Very quickly, 107, 108, and 109. I appreciate you guys watching. And as always, gotta stay in control.